So we're here today at Excel Granite and Marble in Northwich in Cheshire in the UK, and I've just commissioned their DEP 600 water recycling system from Turrini Claudio. I'm going to give you a quick walk around of the machine. So DEP 600 square silo, everything built in, 2 DSM bagging plant that they're finally going to move when they're finished configuring the pit. Flocculant system, coagulant system, sludge discharge pump underneath, high pressure pumps there, duty standby, safety valves on everything, safety valve out to the pipework to the factory, and you can see we're sustaining about 5 bars. Currently got a couple of machines running in the factory. Touch panel control, dirty water tank, flocculant station, sludge discharge, high pressure pump. Each page has its own section. The submerged pump has just started to fill the silo. The flocculant station, we can control the mixer, the flocculant pump or the coagulant dosing pump. These two are operating now. Sludge discharge is controlled automatically to discharge the sludge. No intervention required unless you've washed down the trenches in the shop and you want to discharge some mud by manual, where you just turn the pump on and turn the pump. High pressure pumps, we have high pressure pump 1 and high pressure pump 2. We can switch between them on the fly if we need to. We can check the statistics of what chemicals we've used. We can check any alarms that we've had in the alarm log. And the machine is as simple as, in the morning when you turn on this switch, press this button, the panel will boot up. When the panel comes up with the screen on, you press automatic, start, 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 and the machine is running. It's as simple as that. Back to the menu for the main screen. The machine is controlled by an inverter, so we can see we're running there probably around about 80% power. Siemens Electronics, Schneider Electronics, ABB inverter, everything high quality. Two saws running. You can see the pipe work the customers put in. I'm just going to show you the sludge discharging into the bags and how easy that is. So we're going to set a manual sludge discharge, stop, manual cycle, menu, sludge discharge, start. The screw pump is pumping the liquid and the mud down the yellow pipe into the bag, and we can see the mud going into the bag. We start a little bit with clean water, and after a few seconds the mud will start to follow. The mud is starting to come now, and immediately we're ejecting mud from the system. We can see that the water is sweating out of the bag. I've already filled this bag about half an hour ago. And the excess runs down from the tray, through the pipe that they have yet to finalise, and into the dirty water pit. So your maintenance is limited to coagulant pump. Check when the drum is empty. Flocculant tank. Once a week. Top this up with clean water. The mixer will rotate to mix it. Fill this hopper with your flocculant. Tip it in. Job done. Empty the bags when you're ready. The bags lift off with a forklift. And inside here is a filter that you clean once every week. Close the valve, open the tap, take the end off, clean the filter, put it back, open the valve, and away you go. And a nutshell is it. Excel Marble and Granite in Northwich in Cheshire in the UK. Turrini Claudio DEP 600 water recycling system. Automatic, easy, simple, low maintenance.